Hey all my Foxy friends. Today I am going to do a quick, cute little DIY craft with you guys today. I was going to make these for my daughter's class for Easter, but since we're not in school at the moment due to the craziness in the world right now, I'm just going to show you guys how to do them, and maybe you guys can do them with your children and hide them maybe around the house or put them in their Easter basket. You can still put candy in these because let's see, I'll show you here. This is one I made already. This one's a blue little bunny and you can still put stuff inside. And I made his little face and his little ears, and we put a little tail on him. Boop boop. Is it gonna show? It's not wanting to show. But that's what we're going to be doing today. So what you need are some Easter eggs, preferably ones that are blank, so you can actually make a face and stuff on them. And it would be really good if they had the holes in the top and the bottom, because then you don't have to do no cutting and you don't have to do a ton of gluing. But whatever you've got, I actually have this thing here. This was from Big Lots, and I think my mother-in-law got it for like $1 and something after Easter last year. So that's what we're using. And then I'm going to be using this Gorilla Super Glue. You can use hot glue, Elmer's glue might work, but I'm just going to use this because I only really need it to glue on his little tail. And then you need some pipe cleaners. These are like neon bright ones. These are the ones I had laying around the house. So that's what we're going to be using. Also, it came in a pack with these big pom-poms and like medium-sized pom-poms. We're going to be using the small ones out of this pack. A black permanent marker. I'm using a fine tipped one. Let's see if you can. It's fine tip. And then I'm using a pink Sharpie, which is the regular tip. And then a pair of scissors to cut our pipe cleaner. So here, I don't know if I showed you, these are the little tiny pom-poms. And as you can see, Toothless is joining us today. So I grabbed out a yellow, a purple, a pink, a green, and an orange egg. I don't know if we're going to do all of them together, but I'm going to just show you how to do one. I think we're going to do the pink one because I already kind of have all the pink stuff out. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to take our egg. We're going to close it if we can get it closed. This one's not wanting to work. Ooh. Sorry. It's not wanting to close on me here. I may have to get a different one out. Okay. Give me a second. Okay, so I switched eggs. We're going to use this green egg right now because my pink one did not want to close. So we're going to use the green egg. So you could do any color pipe cleaner that you want. I'm just going to do this neon green. It's like almost a yellow, but we're going to do the neon green. And what I did is I just took it and like tried to make how big of the ear I wanted. So I'm going to say that's pretty good. So I'm going to kind of bend that. And then what I do is take this and then we're going to fold it over. So we get kind of the same size, and then we're going to cut, boop, and then we're going to kind of make sure they're even, and we're going to cut that in half too, so you got two, we'll put them together, and we're going to cut that, boop, and then we should be able to fold it down. And then what I did is I twisted the bottom together a little bit just to connect the two pieces. And then we got one bunny ear, and then we're going to go and do the other one here. Sorry, my camera stand is being very wobbly today. And then there's the other Easter egg. Now, like what I was saying is these eggs actually already have holes in them. So you want to make sure you're on the front part of the egg. The back part has like this little thing, the kind of like a hingy piece for where the egg connects, but we need the front. So then we're going to stick this piece in the top there. And they go right in with no problem. If you have to adjust it a little bit. And if you really wanted them to be sturdy, you could probably push them down and glue some fabric over in the inside to keep the stuff from coming out. But since we're just going to be doing this like this, that's his little ears. And then what I did is I took the leftover and I folded that in half and make sure they're kind of even, and then we're going to cut that in half. And that's going to make our little bunny feet. So I fold it over, and like I said, twist the bottom two pieces so that they connect, and then you have little loops for the feet. So I do that again. Just grab the two pieces and we're going to twist them together a little bit to make the little bunny feet. And then again with the holes on the bottom part, we're going to put them in the hole. If I can get the piece in there. Ah! Nope, I didn't twist that one good enough, I don't think. It's not wanting to go in there. Okay, so there's one foot. Let's try it again. Oh, let me refix this one. It's not wanting to go in there. Oop. Well, that's probably why. The piece was sticking out. Okay. Get his little bunny feet in there. Okay, this one is not cooperating with me today. Okay, let's try to pull it up through the... My camera work is very crappy today. Okay, so there we go. We got his little feet and his little ears on. So now, if you want to turn it over, you can take the super glue here. Let's see if I can get it open with one. Lay it down there. Open the super glue, and I'm just going to grab the green matching little pom-pom for his tail, and we're going to just do a little dot right here. And we're going to glue on his little bunny tail. And just hold that there for a few seconds. Okay, so now that we have this all on there, we can do the nose. Oop, and the little eyes like we did on this guy. I want you focus. Focus on my little bunny. Nope, not gonna. Okay, but we're gonna do that. Oop, he gonna fall over. So I'm gonna start by doing the little bunny nose, and I made mine a little heart. So let's see if I can do this on the camera here. You go whoop. There we go. Why is it not? Why are you not focusing on me here? I don't want what's back there. I want right here. There you go. And you could do the eyes open if you want. You can do eyelashes on. Like those ones back there. Those are cute. But this is a green, so I'm going to just do the eyes like I did on the blue one. He does not want to focus. And then we draw our little whoop, whoop, and our little whiskers. And it doesn't have to be perfect. He does not want to focus. What is wrong with my camera? Well, there's our little Easter bunny. His cute little face. I don't know why my camera just decided not to focus. And his little tail and his little ears and his little feet. So that is a little cute craft that you can do with your kids. Super easy, super fun. Like I said, you can do different faces. You can do different colors. You could do like blue and pink ears and different feet and a different tail color. Just go crazy with them and do whatever. And if you guys end up doing this craft, his little bunny tail fell off. If you do this little craft, put a picture down in the comments below and let me know and show me all the little cute ideas you guys did. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully everybody stays safe, stays healthy, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.